Alright guys, so as you can see in the title, I have lost probably one of the biggest trades so far in my trading career right now. I have lost $400 in trading, and today I'll be showing you guys the breakdown of how I lost $400 and what I did wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to be just doing it based off what I did last time when I lost money. I just watched my live stream, and I'll just show a breakdown through there. So as you can see, I started today, 25,258. All right. Pretty good. I'm just yapping about, some other stuff. Waiting for the market to open. Market hasn't even opened right now. And the first trade I did, actually, no, I should probably do like an analytic breakdown. So today was pretty bad, pretty good. If you did see today, the market did kind of shoot down for a bit of the day, and then it came back up, did a nice little V. But it took around till now 120-ish to actually fill that gap, unfortunately. I wish it was a lot earlier because that's where I lost it all. Now, I have probably the worst risk management known to mankind right now. So it's pretty bad. But the first trade I did was take a DD trade, also a 1 hour fair value gap trade. I did see, I remember I am trying fair value gap for 30 days, so I'm on day 4, and I do see a 1 hour fair value gap long. I just mark it. I saw it on the 3 hour on NQ, and I was like, okay, so there's 2 spots. I can take 1 hour fair long gap, and I can take 1 DD band. So that's what I did. I took 1 DD band and fair one on long gap. I took one contract, though I was thinking on taking 2. As you can see, my mouse is literally out on the buy. I want to buy 2, but I'm like, all right, I'm seeing a lot of resistance on the bull zone. There's resistance on bull zone because res is negative. Res does not get any better from here, by the way. It's like it gets worse. But anyways, I take a trade along round here, okay? And I'm expecting the market to go to Q open, and that's it. So I am still waiting. I'll put this in like 2.5 speed, so you guys can just like see. By the way, do not mind the camera. It is really cheeks. I run it off my phone, and what I do for live streaming is I hook it up to a thing called Video Ninja, and it like you can do it for your phone. And for recordings, I just record on my phone, and I can just edit it and mute it. And I have an OBS run right now, so yeah, because I have a mic. But anyways, I'm still in this. I'm still trying to think on what to do. Anyways, yeah, I'm getting ready to sell in case like it shoots. Well, I'm not getting ready to sell. I want to have like risk of $50 because that's pretty big. I'm expecting is if it does fail, I'm telling myself, okay, so if it comes down to this yellow line here, it'll be around $78. I'm like, okay, I can risk that because I know that this will probably do a bounce back on the yellow line, and I can get a trade-off DD band right here because I'm waiting for the market to come down, bounce here, and then get a reclaim there. But yeah, what I'm saying is I wish res can switch because res is like would be really good. If res is positive, I think this would all be good, and I'd be up like 200 or something today. All right, so seeing if yellow line wants to do anything. Remember, one of the last streams I did was something like this kind of. The market came down yellow line, and what I did was I got out like immediately after like a little bit of a sink through yellow line, which I didn't want to replicate, and I wanted to see if I can just hold. Maybe it'll be like a reversal. So yeah, I'm seeing like, oh, okay, so it might be working. Now I'm starting to think, oh, is DD band gonna be resistance because res is still negative. Everything's negative on the res. You can see on NQ, which is sunk. And I'm like, nah, screw this. I'm getting out of this. Yeah, it's selling. So I'm down $85. That's like nothing. I usually can make that back. And the next thing I see is Bear Zone. Now I'm getting ready to buy Bear Zone. I bought it pretty early, and I'm like, okay, eventually this market's gonna want to stop selling. Eventually it's gonna want to stop selling. Could this be the spot where it can stop selling? And that can be like maybe like up 100, maybe $50 today. Who knows? I'm like, okay, wait a second. I'm looking at match stream on the monitor, on the second monitor right here, and I'm like, I don't know about this. I'm like, okay, I want to risk 50 because there's no other pivots for me to go. There's nothing below bear zone for like another 100 points or something. So I'm like, okay, there's like nowhere to go for this. This is it. I'm gonna do small. Yep. Oh, I'm down $144. I'm like, yeah, screw this. This is gonna be a selling day or something. Like, holy cow. Camera quality gets even worse from here. Like, like I'm really like trying to figure out what to do. Okay, I'm gonna see if I should get on a reclaim. So, remember, this is now the third trade. Third trade. I think I did around 5 or 6 trades, maybe 4 or 5. But anyways, I'm like, okay, maybe I can like see if I can get on a reclaim. Like maybe just take one. I'm like, all right, is this the moment? So I'm gonna get back on that reclaim because I'm seeing like a really good bullish movement, and I'm like getting ready to sell in case this does reverse. And what do you know? It gets worse. All right, so now I'm down $194. This is pretty bad stuff. I'm already at 25,063. And I started the account with 25K. All right, so this is getting bad. So I write MHP HP Bull Zone tap because that's what my next trade is. And I'm just waiting, just waiting. Okay, it looks like it's starting. The market's starting to slow down around here. What I wanted to do was take a trade on ES. I wanted to do was take a DD trade and then Bull Zone trade. That'd be a really good one. I'm gonna hold like 5 contracts through there or something. So I want to get on this little this uptrend, this filling this huge selling pressure. Yeah, I'm still waiting for it to come down, and around here, yeah, around here, it's like, okay, I think we're trying to come back. I'm trying to figure out like where's my next spot to go in. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna take another bear to DD band. That's what I originally was thinking, or bear to bull, because you usually do bear to bull trades or bull to bear trades. And yeah, anyways, I'm yapping about. Oh, I'm talking about camera quality. Now I was just flexing my black spray painted Nerf gun with my garbage camera quality. Yeah, I'm just like pulling it back. It's like, where is that? I don't know. Whatever. Doesn't matter. Now I'm thinking it's gonna start reversing. So like, oh boy, now's our chance to get back into this. One contract, go big or go home. I'm getting like excited or something because like, I'm about to get in this huge trade right now. Oh my word, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right, we're going. We're actually zooming. Now this might have yeah, see, look, I'm getting jumpy right now. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like so excited, like, oh, I'm playing the guitar because like there's guitar music. Yeah, you see me go like this. Now what I knew was there's gonna be around here. Yellow line. Usually when it comes to the yellow line, it's gonna be resistance or support, and right now it's resistance. So I'm like, I'm gonna bag that around $80, and I'm gonna wait for DD band. Now I'm trying to figure out if you're supposed to for DD band. I'm trying to figure out like, oh, wait, do you like when it passes through, like what's going on now? Do you buy when it hits that, or do you wait for retest? I'm like, I'm trying to think. What do I do? I'm trying to look at an image like it doesn't show. And I see it's like starting to move or something. Well, it's actually resistance on DD band. Now I'm confused. Like, do I wait for retest? And like, I don't think it's gonna come back for a retest. I think it's just gonna go. So I'm just like, screw it. I'm gonna buy right here on this candle, and let's just pray that there is like a clean setup. Now this is where I messed up. Okay, this is where I messed up. Actually, I don't think I messed up. This is actually part of trading DD band. You do zone to zones, all right? And my thing was DD band to QQ open. There was nothing wrong with that. I wasn't too greedy. That was just my trade. Bull zone was all this you see over here. Look at this. Chop. Wick. This is all going to be resistance. It's going to fight around here, especially at QQ open. I was going to, if it got to like this wick here, I was going to get out or something, but it's fighting around here. I'm just like watching. Oh, shoot. The market's coming down. Did I just miss out? Did I just lose all my money again? So I continue to just like, oh shoot, bro, this is not looking good. And I'm still holding. Yeah, I'm still holding this trade. This is a pretty long trade I'm taking. I'm so confident I want to take it. on this. I'm like really, really confident for some reason. Like this is where I messed up. I was trying to think, do I scale down, do I scale up? And then I'm waiting for this yellow line bounce. And this is where I mess up. Do not do what I just do. Do not do what I just do. I just bought another contract. I'm down $144. I bought another contract. Hello, McFly. I was kind of confident in it though. Like I really wanted to take this. Like either I go big or go home. Look at that. Stop loss. Take profit $400. I'd be up 300 for the day. I'd be up 300. I could retire off that money. Okay, I'm like, all right, yo guys, looks like the market's kind of turning around. Don't you think? Very strong bearish candle, not so good of a bullish candle. This isn't looking good. I'm down 200. I'm down 200, and I still haven't closed. I'm like, okay, it's over. $400. I lost 300 on that trade. Biggest loss I've ever made. I'm like, screw this. Yeah, I stopped streaming like after this because I was like, I probably should step away from this. And this is what the market was like. The trades I took was here. And it dropped here. And I was like, screw this. This is probably just gonna like chop around here. What you could have done is buy here, and would you look at that? Oh, it's going. But yeah, I kind of messed up. If I was to like hold through all of this, yeah, sure, but that'd be like around here was on the 30, 30, right here was 300. That would have been probably around 500. Hold, hold, hold. Oh, $400. So yeah, pretty bad day. I don't know how my eval account is not cooked. Like I have been like pretty much lacking recently. Like I'm making bigger losses than I'm making profits, I feel like. Or I'm just like taking like pretty bad trades. Usually what happens with me is like I'm like usually down 100 at the start and at the end of the day up 100. So I'm usually like I have to lose first to win instead of I have to win just flat. That's like a thing that just happens with me supposedly. But yeah, it's probably one of my biggest losses that I've actually traded. I wasn't feeling much anything. I was like, "Oh shoot, $300. Yikes. Now back down to 24,836. Whew. Yikes. But yeah, just how could I have done better? I think what I could have done better to make me lose less was not to add another contract on the yellow line. I should have held with two. But I think where I wanted to go was right. Unfortunately, the res was negative all day. I had my trades. I wanted. I know what I was gonna do with them. I knew what was gonna happen. You see here, market started with the open DD band trade. Yeah, I know if it fails, we have. I really didn't think it was gonna fail, but I did have a feeling that it was because oh, this was the opening candle, 9:30 candle. This is where I bought here. I was like, okay, QQ open. Resistance here, this candle right here, just all of a sudden just did this. And it sold. This was $100. But I think it's like I knew what I wanted to do. I wanted to take this bear here. Failed. Took another bear. DD band. Wanted to go to QQ open. Oh my word, bro. It's really right there. Another 20 points would have done it, but the stupid resistance here. But I wanted a QQ open. Should I have left a runner? Yeah, probably. Probably been better to leave a runner, take some profit, because I did have 2 contracts at the time. But yeah, it's probably, I feel like it's something to do with scaling and position sizing. Like I think I've hit this way harder than I wanted to. Usually I want to have like a plan on how much I want to lose. Usually it's like $100 a day or $50 per trade, but for some reason I was bag holding negative $200 at the time. But yeah, that this happens. The only thing to do is to just move on. Yeah, I don't feel much. I'm not mad. I don't want to like lie in my bed and cry. This is eval. This is gonna happen multiple times, and I'm guessing in the future this is gonna happen a lot bigger, like bigger trades, bigger losses. But I think this is good learning. Like I'm still trying to figure out what I when I lose, what I did wrong there, and I'm trying to figure out what I did wrong actually with this. The only thing I can think of is why did I buy another contract? I don't know. Because I guess I was like maybe because I like maybe greedy or something. Maybe I wanted some more, but it was such a bad spot to buy another contract. I guess it could have been like a scaling thing. Yellow lines usually tend to either be support or resistance. Major support, it failed uh 1, 2, and 3 times. No, 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, three. No, four. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. For it to finally work. Like my word. Oh well, but it happens. I think I just need to work on knowing when to stop my trades or something. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. But yeah, I will probably see you guys in the next one. Go check out my gaming channel. I have posted a video and reacts on there. So yeah, let's hope I can get better. Let's hope I can like improve, fail, improve. It's kind of like what I'm seeing here is like when I'm playing like Fortnite, like, huh? I'm playing Fortnite. I put tons of time into this. And I'm getting better. I do trading. I put some time into it, and I feel like I'm not getting as like getting better. And I wish there's like a way I could get better. I know for trading it takes many years to get better. And usually you have to do is each day, you have to wait each day to learn something or get better at something. Or you can just sit down for hours, which probably would be good, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.